Marine mammals. What do the following terms mean? Blubber is a thick layer of fat for insulation. Baleen are the overlapping plates or fibrous protein that form a comb-like structure that are used to feed. Echolocation is a natural form of sonar that cetaceans use. Bounce sound waves off prey to determine location. The melon is a fatty bump on a forehead of cetaceans, which focuses and directs sound produced for echolocation. A fluke is a tail fin of cetaceans, and a gestation is a period of time where developing embryos grow inside the womb before birth. What is the correct term for the following? The part of the dolphin that produces sound waves, that's the sounds produced in the airway that is focused in the melon. Wanderers in the water that drift in the water that baleen whales feed on is plankton. When whales are trapped on land, it's called stranding. A group of whales is called a pod. The name of the order that includes whales and dolphins is called a cetacean. Short question. How do dolphins hunt for food? Clicking sounds produced in airway, then concentrated and amplified in the melon. These sound waves are emitted from the melon and bounce off prey, returning to the dolphin as echoes. The echoes are picked up by the dolphin's lower jaw and forehead, which work like antennas to receive the signals. The signal are channeled back through the ears and then into the brain to interrupt them. The dolphin can see by using sound. So if I ask you to draw the external anatomy of an orca, the top left one's the blowhole, the bottom left one's the small eyes, and then it goes to many large teeth, then it goes to large pectoral fins, then it goes to large-tailed flukes, and then you go top right's black and white coloring, the middle is a large dorsal fin, and draw what are two differences between dolphins and porpoises. Dolphins have longer snouts and swim faster. Porpoises have more blunt snouts and swim slower. How are toothed whales and baleen whales similar and different? Toothed whales have sharp peg-like teeth and hunt their prey. Baleen whales are filter feeders that have combs of fibrous protein to filter out their food. Baleen whales eat plankton and small fish. Toothed whales eat larger prey like fish, seals, and other whales. Toothed whales have one nostril. Baleen whales have two nostrils. Baleen whales generally are larger and slower. Toothed whales are generally smaller and faster. Both do internal fertilization and give birth to the young which they nurse. What are the three types of whale movements and what are they used for? The first one's lob-tailing, the second one's spy-hopping, and the third one's breaching. Different baleen whales feed in different ways. Explain 3 ways. Lunging, diving to create a wall of bubbles to entrap krill, plankton, or small fish, which the whale then swims up to the surface and engulfs in huge gulps of water. Right whales swim slowly through near-surface water and with their mouths held open to skim and strain small zooplankton, and bottom feeders, such as the gray whale, suck up sediments off the floor and filter out to eat small crustaceans and other invertebrates.